This is our customer. He came from England. Now we'll try the Titan series.
Yes, let's have a look. Let's see.
Okay. Okay, it's ready. No. First, start the engine first. Turn off the pump. Okay. Now turn on. Okay. 加油门。Okay. Turn off the pump. Okay, now turn off the engine.
Stop.
Okay, very good. Hello, sir. How about the feeling?
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
That's very good.
Yeah, very good. I'm impressed with it.
Okay, thank you.